They're called Protoboxes because a lot of people like to use them for prototyping. There's just a variety of sizes and shapes and things, especially if you're tinkering and you're not quite sure what you're going to do. Great to have a lot of different sizes and shapes of things. I'm Bernie Solo. My online brand is Works by Solo. I'm a artist, designer, and maker of things.
My name's Barbie the Welder, and I'm a full-time metal sculptor.
Guys, my name is Phil. This is the House of Chop. I make videos in welding, fabrication, do some tool reviews, even get into some classic car stuff like my 66 pickup back here.
One of the great resources that I go to a lot for materials is Online Metals, and especially the Protoboxes.
Let me show you guys what they're all about.
All right, well, here's my Protobox. It's actually 2 Protoboxes in one. There is 10 pounds of brass in here and 5 pounds of copper. All right, it's always a surprise. Let's see what we got here. This is, it's packed really tight. It wasn't rattling at all. This is a nice thick bar here. So that's supposed to be 10 pounds, which it feels like it is. And there's some nice bar stock there. I can see that. Wow. Oh man, solid copper. God, I already got some ideas of what I'd like to do with this.
These days, you can get flat coupons from about anywhere to practice welding, but Online Metals is the only place that I know of that's gonna send you an assorted box of clean metal where you're gonna be able to test your skills and push them out a little bit further. You can get the opportunity to weld light stuff, the heavy stuff, square stuff, the round stuff, and it's very inexpensive to do so.
I do a lot of lathe work, and so having round stock available is really valuable to me. If I need to grab a piece to make something out of it, I can give it a try and see how it goes.
The round stock is fantastic. I actually will take something like this and sculpt it into skeleton fingers. See, something like this I'll use to make hair for a sculpture. It is a small round stock too, but I see hair. Just a small piece of plate like this is fantastic to use for a base for a sculpture. There's always something, right? Just little tiny bits and pieces. I save every tiny little piece because it always can be used for something.
I hope that answers your questions, and I'm gonna go and get to work.
Happy welding, y'all.